Give it a push. There you go.
Oh, that sounds sick.
Perfect.
Yeah, this thing is freaking sick, man.
There we go. There's someone who can drive it.
Oh, dude, this is so good, man. And how do you normally drive your car, man?
I drive like you stole it.
Really?
Yeah.
This is a proper S15. Okay, let's go. Let's do it, man. Should I be worried? Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Wong, and today we have a killer car on showcase, guys. And personally, it's something that I absolutely love. Check it out. This is a 1999 Nissan Silvia S15 spec car. And guys, it's not stock, it's fully done up because this is probably the ultimate iteration of what you can do to an S15, because it's got a fully built SR20 DET, or SR23 DET, because it's been fully stroked to a 2.35 litre engine, and it makes just shy of 450 rear wheel horsepower. It's insane. Check it out. It's such a clean example. We're out here with the owner and the man himself, Matt. Good to meet you, man.
What's up?
How
How you
are you? Good, man. Can you tell us a little bit about your pride and joy over here, man?
So this is my 1999 Jap Spec S15. It's a Spec R. I've had it for almost 6 years now. It was bone stock when I got it.
Oh, it didn't look like this.
No, not at all. No.
Oh,
this
really?
is almost final form. Yeah, so I've done it up slowly over the last 6 years, and it's turned into what it is today.
Have you got some photos of what this car used to look like?
Yeah, I do. I'll send them through to you. It was ratty. First things first, we went and sprayed it all at Cass Bodyworks up in Sydney. So shout out to Cass Bodyworks. He did it up in Sydney. He's the best in the business. We did a full closed door respray back to bare metal. There was a little bit of rust in the C-pillar, as all imports have. Jap things. So we did that up, got rid of it all, and yeah, it's turned out quite good.
It's come out looking sick, man. This car honestly looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Why did you choose to get an S15? You know, a lot of people say Silvia's a junk, Silvia's a this, that. What drew you to this car?
I mean, they're not wrong.
They're not great.
They're not wrong. So before this, I had a few all-wheel drive cars. I had a 2006 WRX.
Sick.
I had an Evo 8. I had a Cosworth built STI.
Dang.
And I just kind of wanted a two-door rear-wheel drive car.
Okay.
This one popped up. I got it for a pretty good deal.
You bought this with a stock engine?
Yep.
Stock SR20?
Yep, stock SR20. I bought it with 70,000 Ks.
70,000. What is it on now?
124. Well,
So
the body's on
you drive
124.
it. That's
yeah.
sick, man. Can you show us what the engine bay looks like?
Sure.
So guys, this thing is no slouch with SR23.
Yep, yeah, SR, 2.35.
Jesus. Wow, that thing is sick.
So it's a Brian Crower 2.35 stroker kit. It's got a billet crank, forged pistons, rods, you name it, it's got it. We've got the split fire coil packs, we've got the Aeroflow fuel rail with Bosch 1650cc injectors. We've got the GTX 2867. It's quite small for this car.
Oh, really?
It is quite small.
Would you say the power is maxed at this point?
Yeah, probably on this turbo it's probably maxed, yeah. Pushing 301 kilowatts on 18 PSI. It's got a 45mm external gate. Yeah, she sings.
Holy moly, this is the full meal deal when it comes to an SR20 DET. I think this is probably the final iteration before you go VE.
Yeah, I'd say so, yeah.
And,
yeah, VE
big
head,
turbo
yeah,
and
or you can do a billet block if you got money.
Yeah, and I'm sure this already costs a lot of money, so VE, billet, yeah, forget it.
Yeah, exactly, that's it.
This is insane. Is it a lot of fun?
Yeah, it's quite rowdy.
How does it compare to the stock one?
The stock one, look, it's kind of apples and oranges, depends what you want.
Wow, that different.
Yeah. Like as soon as you start modifying stuff, they come into their own.
Wow. So you just take it to Mexico and back, basically.
Yeah, we'll go there.
Sick. This is insane. So it makes 301 kilowatts at the wheels.
Yep.
Potential to do much more with a full built engine like this.
Yeah. The engine's good for a lot more. It's just that the turbo's obviously the restricting factor. Yeah.
But I think we'll see that it's probably more than enough in a lightweight S chassis.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, they're
100%.
quite light cars. Like the chassis metal's pretty thin. They don't weigh a lot. So
Yeah, exactly right. But this car is so insane. Could you take us for a little tour around as well?
Yeah, sure.
But it's not just the engine bay, because guys, overall this car is so tasty. I can see you're rocking the aero bar here.
Yep, got the aero bar, got a custom carbon lip. What else we got? We got the Ganadors that
Love it.
do bend.
Hey, the genuine Ganador.
Got some,
the work wheels.
Yeah, got some work wheels. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 12 all around with a 235/40.
Nice. Good setup. Good setup.
Yeah, not bad.
I really like these splitters here though. It kind of accentuates the lines.
Yeah, there's something that I took off a friend of mine, a good friend, Andy Chen, Samurai S15.
Hey, clean car, man.
saw him a while ago when he had his S15 and took a bit of inspiration, so I thought, why not throw them on my own?
That's awesome. Did you make that yourself?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you going to sell some parts or?
No.
And really, really nice fitment. That is stance.
Yeah, the fitment's not bad. I don't scrub at all. I got
you don't scrub?
we're running BC coilovers, BC golds all around.
Okay.
We've got 6 kilo springs in the front and 8 kilos in the rear.
Yep.
We've got hard race rear camber arms and toe arms.
All the rest of it. Hey.
Yeah, all the fruit. Fronts just the coilovers and then some camber bolts. That's about it.
I can see though you are missing one small thing. These brakes look very small for such a big engine.
Yeah, don't bully me. Yeah,
but
they are quite small. So
probably the next iteration.
Yeah,
right?
that'll be the next thing. Yeah.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Yeah.
But let's have a look at the interior whilst we're here.
Yeah,
hey?
sure. Yep.
So some Bride Low Maxes here.
Yep, so we've got the genuine Bride Low Maxes. They've got a carbon backing. The 3 Defi gauges up there.
Okay. Oh, all center mounted there.
Yep.
So very nice and stock looking. I like that.
Yeah, quite simple interior. I'm very minimalistic with interiors. I think if it's nice and clean, then it works and it's good.
As well as being a fully functional interior. You know, it's got aircon, all that good stuff.
Yeah, that's
why you want an S15.
Yeah.
And of course, no cracks in the dash, so
Nah, good
better
dash.
than the S13. Right?
Yeah, good dash.
No, really, really nice interior. Let's check out the back end, yeah?
Yep.
Let's do it.
So,
and honestly, this back end is to die for. This back end is to die for. Holy.
Yeah. So we got the Yasho factory tail lights.
Yep.
Full 3-inch exhaust through to blast pipes, and then we got the genuine top secret carbon diffuser.
This diffuser, honestly, is the icing on the cake on this rear end. A lot of people sport that diffuser, but I don't think they're genuine generally.
No, I waited far too long for this one.
Yeah, I'm sure that cost a pretty penny being full carbon like that.
Yeah.
Did you have to buy the side inserts and the middle part as well?
Yeah, it all came together as a package. Yeah.
Oh, okay, wow.
Yeah, and then we've got the Garage Defend carbon exhaust around as well.
Oh, true. And these blast pipes look mighty tasty.
Yeah.
I really like this roof wing as well. It kind of ties it all in very nicely together.
Yeah, so we got the D-Max roof wing. Once again, Cast Bodyworks painted it. When the car got painted, we did everything. We did the roof wing, we did the rear wing, we did everything in one, so it all blends together and all matches.
100%. And you've had this car for how many years?
Almost 6.
6 years.
Yeah, it'll be 6 in August.
Well, guys, today we're going to find out just why you need an SR20 or SR23 S15. This thing is pretty insane, if I might say so myself. I would love to build an SR, or I would love to build an S15 like this, but maybe this will convince me to just full send it. Should we go?
Yeah, that's it.
Let's do it, man.
Let's do it.
Sick. Do you get nervous when other people drive this thing?
I've only ever had 2 other people drive it.
Your missus and...
Yep, and some random,
that's
a
me.
while ago. Yeah.
That's me now.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. So, how do I fit this contraption on?
All right, grab that wheel.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah.
This is sick. Yeah.
Yep. Give it a push. There you go.
Oh, that sounds sick.
Perfect.
Is that ding meant to go off?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Ah, perfect,
yeah,
man.
Full Japanese spec.
Okay. Anything I should know before we?
It's got a very heavy clutch.
Oh, that's nice. It's really good.
It's not too
I like
bad.
it.
It's
I
not
like
too
it.
bad.
Awesome. All right, let's go. We'll head off this way. It's actually really quite forgiving. I like it.
It's not too bad. Yeah.
It's not bad. No.
Yeah.
Right. Oh man, this thing revs quick. I'm not even on it. Wow. This is a rev monster.
Yeah, it revs.
Holy moly. What? Oh my lord, this thing sounds sick, bro. What? Okay, how do you normally drive your car, man?
I drive like you stole it.
Really?
Yeah.
Just getting a feel for it. Oh man, this thing is a sensory overload. Holy moly. Is it the combination of cams, turbo?
Yeah, it's just a bit of everything. Like we said before, it's the full package.
It is nothing like my S15. Holy. It feels flippin' sick, dude. The external gate sounds sounds tremendous. This is quick. Oh, I love it, I love it. Yeah, I gotta be fully concentrated when you drive this. It's so clever, wow, it's actually really easy to drive.
It is. When you're on it, like when you start, it's a little bit funky, but when you're driving, it's quite nice.
I feel like the chassis really communicates to the driver. You know exactly how the car feels on the road. If it's starting to slide, you can kind of...
Yeah, that's... Oh, we got security.
Well, kind of scared.
Yeah, no, I think the way it sits as well, like it's quite low, you feel quite connected to the ground. It's an easy car to drive.
It really is. And I'm sure if you do the silly stuff, which we'll see later, it does it really well as well, right?
Yeah, no, it's easy to drive.
Man, this feels like a true driver's car. Wow, it revs up like... I can't even describe how quickly this car revs. Yeah, this thing is... Yeah, this is freaking sick, man. Holy
there we go. There's someone who can drive it.
I'm not even really on it. I want to see you drive this thing, man. Okay, just having a little taste of that. I really wish my S15 was like this. I've driven a Tomei 2.2 with similar power, but the 2.35 that you have in this is next level.
Yeah, just that little bit extra torque.
It's honestly... Oh, dude, this is so good, man. Has it been reliable for you as well?
So far, reliable enough.
It's a proper street car. And best of all, you can drive it to a show. You can take it to a racetrack.
Yeah, I can hard park it or I can drive it hard.
Man, you really built something freaking insane, man. I love it. Actually love it. I see you doing a lot of photo shoots in this car, but I never see you drive it. But
no.
Man, with a car like this, you need to post some driving videos.
Yeah, I do.
This thing is actually such a good...
Maybe I'll raise it a bit and go through the hills, maybe.
Bro, this thing is mental. One of my favorite S15s today.
Thank you.
Bro, this is actually sick, man. It's kind of, yeah, making me kind of sweaty. Park this thing up. I want to see how you drive this thing now.
Oh, okay. No pressure.
No pressure.
Not off the way you just drove it.
No
pressure.
That was kind of easy. Guys, this is a proper S15. Okay, let's go. Let's do it, man. All right, let's do it. Looks so good out here as well.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Should I be worried? I'm worried.
I almost lost a bit of traction.
Holy moly. It's just a symphony of noises, honestly. It's all over the road, holy!
But you can also drive it
Yeah.
quite easily.
It's got an insane duality about this car.
Yeah. I mean, it's got full Haltech gear in it, so
Yeah, true that.
we can
Flex
do
fuel, all the rest of it.
full E85, full time.
full E85,
Yeah, full
okay.
time E85. Yep.
Sick.
Because of the compression ratio of the engine, we didn't want to risk putting it on 98, so we just put it on
course.
full time E85,
Of course, yeah.
which is expensive, but it is what
It's
it
worth
is.
it. It's so worth it.
It is worth
Honestly, 300 kilowatts in this feels like 500 in an FG, you know, in all kinds of heavy cars. But this thing is light, it handles,
Yes.
and it slides
Yeah, it sounds a bit.
very well. So is this your first time out here in Mexico?
In Mexico, yeah. I don't come to Mexico too often. I'm a sensible
I
boy.
ruined you now. My lord. It's pretty hairy. Oh, it just sounds so good. What's your favorite part about driving driving the S15?
Oh, it's got quite a good presence on the road. It's got quite a good presence. I mean, it sounds unreal, I think.
Oh, honestly, it does.
I
I just can't believe you can drive it the way we are, looking like that.
Yeah.
I thought you would destroy all the guards and all the rest of it.
No, the way we got the suspension set up, it's quite forgiving.
It's very comfortable.
Like we were talking about before, there's certain driveways I can't go in, but other than that, it's, yeah, like you said, it's quite forgiving.
It's such a complete car, though. Sick. It feels so planted, though.
It does, yeah.
You kind of lose it, but then it just catches back.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the tyres are nice and warm.
Yeah. What tires are you running?
They're just like some cheap windrun tyres.
Oh man.
Yeah.
And you're off to the races. That's all you need, really. Guys, we've made it back.
Made it back alive.
Landed. Back in Melbourne. Guys, let's have one final look at this ridiculous S15. Oh my god.
It's a bit tough to get out.
It's so low, I love it. Guys, this thing is honestly ridiculous. One of the best sounding SR20s ever. And it looks the part as well. This thing is so sick. Huge shout out, Matt. Thank you so much for allowing me to do that, man.
Thanks
for
coming
out. That was a
out.
beast, man. Really appreciate it, man. Guys, let us know what you think of Matt's ridiculous S15 in the comments below. Be sure to check out him on Instagram as well. We'll leave it right here. Guys, if you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. And guys, we'll see you in the next one. Take care. See yas.
Bye.